Body card. Today's a special day, y'all. Got a little present. Got a dirty ass table too. A present from your homies. I ordered some things, but they hooked me up with some things. You know what I'm saying, man? Representing, man. I see y'all. That's all support. Shit. Ooh, come on, cut with tag. Cut. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. You know, that's lit, man. Ooh, oh, little racetrack. Oh shit. Little snap, y'all. Number 99. Damn. Level 99, you know, 2K, level 99. Y'all know about that? Damn, bro. They hooked me up with a lot more than I thought they were going. God damn. God damn. I think that's it. Oh snap, bro. Oh snap, man. I can put my chapstick in here. Ooh, it's red on the inside. Damn, man. You know how lots of people do? They got that camo, that red felt inside, guys. That's a nice touch. Bro, I'm a real hype beast now, bro. Ooh, look, almost like a caution tape slash the things you would put, the things you would when fishing and stuff. You know, some hot tank gun, Laos, Asayang Namsa. Ooh. Now we got 4 different face masks. You know, quarantine time. First off, we got the golden tiger dragon face. Get over here! Can you do this? Get over here. There you go. Get over here. Then we got the this is sexy ass little colorful skull. Ooh, this one looks nice. I look like a real e-boy up in this. A real hype beast up in this. Very sexy, very sexy. Yo, these feel good. Like, I could breathe nice in them because I ordered this Korean black face mask and like, it's made out of like cotton, so it's like so hard to breathe. But this one, these feel really good. Like they're silky and you can breathe through like panties. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You got the little traditional. Oh shit, that's upside down. Look at that. Black and white, very sexy. And then this is the one I really wanted for a cover art I'm going to do for a song that's coming out, y'all. The orange version. Oh yeah. Hey Klaus, say oh yeah. Alright y'all, but this is lit, you guys. Thanks a lot, I appreciate y'all for the hookup, man. Y'all can bet that these are gonna be in some videos. I'm gonna utilize all this stuff. Cup chai lai. Thanks to Lao Supply, yeah. This is also thanks to all my soulmates and soldiers out there, man. Appreciate you guys. Man, I don't know what the heck is going on. Things are moving too fast, but I'm trying to catch up. So, thank you guys for being patient with me and more videos and music coming out. And I think you guys are gonna really like these banging songs. These bump it when they come out. So, yeah. I guess I'm out, man. Gonna get a oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Look at my wrist, know that I'm blessed. Got the monk hanging down from my chest.